Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to cook this sumptuous lamb chops that is perfect for dinner. So this meal preparation can be done in less than 30 minutes. So it's a perfect meal idea when you're rushing to make dinner. So this is a high protein meal, perfect for after workout, and low carb, perfect also for those who follow low carbs diet. The lamb chops cooks very fast, so the best thing to do is prepare the other things first. So for this salad, I am going to use arugula leaves and lettuce. And we're gonna put it in a cold water bath for a few minutes. And for the meanwhile, we are going to cut our tomatoes, cucumber, carrots, onion, and mango. We're going to put this aside for now, and we're gonna drain the leaves. After the washing, we're going to put it in a spinner to drain the excess water from the leaves. Spin few times until it drains thoroughly. After the spinning, we can just dry the bowl and mix our salad in it. And then we're just gonna add in our chopped tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and mango. And I am going to add a little bit of feta cheese. And a little bit of raisins too. Mango and raisins are perfect additions when you make an arugula salad because it balances the bitter taste of arugula. For the dressing, we are going to mix together olive oil, apple cider vinegar, or you can use lemon juice or any vinegar that you prefer, and then add a little bit of pepper or black pepper and salt and give it a shake. Pour in the dressing and toss it together. This salad is so gorgeous looking and it's healthy. And now that's done and we can put it aside. And now it's time to do the lamb chops. The lamb chops that I bought is pre-marinated with garlic and rosemary. So I just had to add a little bit of salt to season it. So we put our fire on high and make sure that the pan is very hot before we put our lamb chops in. So these lamb chops are basically done in about 6 to 8 minutes. Because we want our lamb chops to be juicy and tender. Now is the most awaited moment. It's the taste test. And I was aiming for a done but soft. So let's see. It is done but not well done. We'll see. Oh gosh. Super soft and juicy. Wow, you can't get wrong with this recipe. Perfect. Salad. Perfect. The arugula has a bitter taste of it, so that is why it's perfect to pair it with mango or anything that is a little bit sweet. For example, where is it? Is it here? For example, raisin. So raisin is also perfect pair with arugula.